Hello, it's Mike from the FX Pivot Point, taking a look at today's action so far. And we can see after yesterday's collapse of the euro, on the news, it was obviously that the euro is in a lot of trouble. Junk bonds, lots of fun stuff going on. And for us, it's just a chart. And that's all we need. We can see firstly today, this is actually look at the 28th. We spent the day below the pivot point, and as you can see, as you can tell, that's something we. Ooh, look at that line! Oh my God! All right, let's try that again. Ready? All right, we're below the pivot point the entire day, and look what price. I don't know why I want to. Oh, you know why I want to get down? Because I sold and shorted here. That's why I want to show you. I guess I'm pulling south because that's the direction I believe this pair is headed. Alright, so yeah, obviously it comes up, it hits the pivot point. We talk about this, I don't know how many times we talk about this, but this is absolutely a very high probability trade. Oh, look at that horrendous arrow. Jesus, that sucks. My drawing skills are just getting worse and worse. You'd think they'd be getting better. Here we go. So we sold. It went down, obviously, to the point where I would take profit. Again, we got some more sell triggers here. I sold this last night too. I think I sold this, and I'm not sure. I think I got out or chickened out or something. I didn't make any on this. As a matter of fact, I might have lost a little bit. Made a little bit on this and then went to sleep. And then here's what I did with that. As you can see, the pivot point, you can see I'm taking, most of you will call this scalping. That's fine. You can call it whatever you want. Small trades in the direction of the pivot point. And you can see, started right at the pivot point, right where it hits the pivot point, bounces hard. I get in right there, and begin to sell the whole way down until I believe I've either made my day or it gets near the psych level. So as you can see, I took my profit on this guy, very, very close, and that's all I really need. I don't know how much is there, but it's certainly a day's worth. And I'm going to wait till the FMOC is over with. I mean, who knows what nonsensical action that'll create. But that's that. Let's kill that. Let's send him down below. Let's hide this again. Let's look at our chart. Back yesterday, you can see moved up there. I sold that yesterday too, and then the news there. Alright, well, you can stop that. Alright, now that's it. Above it tried to struggle above we talked about this one in the videos, just didn't make it. And then this was obviously, look how close it gets to. Look how close it gets to the pivot point before the death drop. Alright, let's cancel all that. Let's look at let's see what else. I haven't looked at any of the other pairs because I've been solely focusing on this one, but let's look at got some look at this. It comes up and touches the pivot point. Look at that. On the end. Comes up, touches, look what it does. Whoop. And then it finds a bottom. We get a nice little held up, and then once this comes to the pivot point, this is where your stop should be. If you still believe that, you know, it's going to do this all day, you know, that's fine, boy, but you better have a tight stop. And once you see this bar, this first bar, look at that. That candle almost engulfs. I mean, that's a sure sign to get the hell out if you're short, because it's going higher. All right, so again, one of those days where it didn't stay the whole day below the pivot point. Alright, so we're out. And we're moving over to the pound. The other pair we look at. Again, there's no surprise here. Especially today. Comes up, look how close we get to the pivot point. Ooh, not even touching it today. It's not going to make it. Unless the FMOC, it's not making it. Here we got to sell. Again, another sell here. And again, look how close we are to the pivot point before right down to, that's right, S1 on the day. Look where it finds support. A few a psych level, which is 50 is a psych level, and right between there and S1. And then if I were paying attention, that would have been a great sell. I wasn't. I was watching another pair. Either way, what we doing here? We're looking. Oof! Look at that. Look how it comes down, and look how price yesterday spiked up to touch the bottom. The bottom support becomes your resistance. We can pretty much remove this. Done. Headed further south. Alright, what's it look like in the pound? So we headed back down here. Ooh, we'll see. We'll see. Again, where we headed here. Look, this is, yeah, obviously this is a big bank. These are big players right now supporting this, that are buying this to even make it here. Because with what's going on in the EU, this thing should be a lot lower. Either way, just wait for the news, and then still play we'll continue to play these levels. Alright folks, have a very good day, and we will talk to you soon. Later.